Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing the index spot on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 30th July. Apart from the index, we would also be analyzing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So for 5th August weekly expiry contract, you will see that highest amount of open interest is currently at 15,800 strike, followed by 16,000 strike. And today, highest amount of open interest addition happened in 15,800 strike along with 16,000 strike. So for the 5th August weekly expiry series, 16,000 and 15,800 are likely to act as resistances, and you will also see in the money calls like 15,700 call strike, 15,650 call strike, 15,600 call strike, 15,500 call strike, and 15,400 call strike. They saw their open interest reduce. And if you see the puts, you will see that highest amount of open interest addition intraday happened at 15,800 strike, followed by 15,700 strike. And overall, these same levels strikes, they are going to be acting as a support for 5th August weekly expiry contract. So broadly speaking, we are in a range of 16,000 to 15,700 based on the overall open interest data. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, here you will see that this month it has been a doji type candlestick on the monthly time frame. However, for us it is currently now under control of buyers as it is trading above the monthly open print, which is at 15,755 levels. And on the weekly time frame, market is trading below the weekly open and it is under control of sellers. So straight away here you can see conflict between the monthly as well as the weekly time frame. And if we see the daily time frame, today you will see that we were under control of buyers above the daily open at 15,762 levels. And in terms of price structure, here you will see that we have formed a first higher high and a higher low. So on Friday we would see whether we make another higher high or we break today's lows. And I also like to remind you that on Monday, three new time frames are going to open: the monthly time frame, the weekly, as well as the daily time frame. So considering that this is end of the month, it would be best to avoid making any trades, especially on the index. As you can see that it is in a sideways choppy range, as our monthly candlestick is basically a doji type candle at this point of time, and it is in conflict with the weekly time frame at this point of time. So based on this, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 15,778, we can trade towards 15,866 levels potentially, and below 15,737 we can potentially trade towards 15,657 levels. If we analyze our stock watch list for tomorrow, the stocks that we have chosen, they have all formed an inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame, and inside candles are formed whenever there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. And we'll look to enter a position if either side of the range breaks. So our first stock is Adani Ports. It's in a downtrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, and today it formed an inside candlestick. So below 657.85, we'll look for selling opportunity in Adani Ports. Our next stock is Axis Bank. It is again in a downtrend as it is trading below 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, and an inside candlestick was formed today. So tomorrow we can look for selling opportunity below 715.9 levels. And our last stock for tomorrow is Birlasoft, Bsoft. It is in an uptrend based on the 5 and 20 exponential day moving averages. So we'll look for a buying opportunity above 400, 12.6 level in Birlasoft tomorrow. And I like to remind you that I would be sharing a long short bias stock watch list around 9:45 p.m. Tonight. So do stay tuned for that. Finally, I like to summarize above 15,778 we can trade towards 15,817, 15,839 and potentially 15,866, and below 15,737 we can trade towards 15,715, 15,688 and potentially 15,657. And broadly speaking, we are in a range of 16,000 to 15,700 based on the overall open interest data, and the max pain for 5th August weekly expiry contract is at 15,800. And we have already discussed our stock watch list. In Axis and Adani ports, we'll look for selling opportunities, while in Bsoft will look for buying opportunities. And I like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.